there's no manual for how to be an effective smart solutions manager, right? It's really about what's exciting about this role is really being involved in building an innovative product from scratch and then iterating along the way, working closely with customers to understand what they want and deliver a product that the market wants. My name is Pavina Adunratanasee, and I've joined Iberdrola Australia as a Smart Solutions Manager. I've got a master's in public administration focused on energy development and policy. So my job is basically building a product from scratch. I'm currently developing new innovative technologies around behind-the-meter storage and electric vehicle to deliver to our customer base as a value-add service. I think in general, people find it really exciting, although I think innovation can be quite a loaded word, right? So it can mean so many things. And I think a lot of times, I think it's difficult for people to imagine an energy utility being innovative. And I think that's one of the exciting things about my role, right? We're going through a paradigm shift, and it's really about this new energy economy that we're trying to build here, which is enabling consumers to be part of that energy transition, whether that be through supplying innovative technologies like battery systems, EVs, or even looking at behind-the-meter hydrogen solutions. So I like to start my workday with keeping up with what's going on in the market. And as part of my role, I think it's really important to keep tabs on what the market, what are the new innovations that's happening in the market, whether that be in Australia or globally. So I think it's really important for me to keep tabs on market intelligence. My interest in renewable energy started when I was a grad student living in New York, and I was really interested at that point with access to electrification, right? I grew up in Thailand, so I was looking at essentially different models around the world, looking at how can we improve access to energy for communities that are not necessarily connected to the grid. So I increasingly became interested in kind of community solar concepts or microgrid concepts, and that's where my interest first started. And I do see at this stage, I think for us to really be as an economy reach net zero, but in the next 30 years, I think decarbonizing electricity is an important feature of that net zero plan. And I think that's where my interest started, essentially, to be able to help economies transition to a cleaner energy future.